Okay, this is military diet again. Day 1. There's it's 3 days military diet. Every 3 days you stop. 3 days rest. 3 days you begin again. So this day 1, first meal. Have a toast. Have a grapefruit or orange. You can do it. And black coffee. That's it. First meal. So healthy, guys. Because we have vitamin C here. And this has fiber also. And ano daw, carbs now. May carbs din on that. But this is whole wheat, okay? Don't use white bread. Whole wheat only. Asim. Sweet and sour. My wife prepared this for me. Love you, baby.
Love you.
Behind the camera. Tama ba?
Yes. Behind the camera.
I also work out while I'm on this is actually calorie deficit. Small portion, only one bread, coffee black, no cream, no sugar. First meal, and oranges or grapefruit na.
Yes,
Grapefruit is more
grapefruit.
bitter. This is the best, black coffee. I like black coffee. Some people cannot drink black coffee, really.
Yeah.
They're scared because it's bitter. But me and my wife love black coffee. Ang bango. Smells good. So if you want content like this, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And if you have more questions about this, I will continue this because it's been a long time. I don't eat healthy. This is very healthy. Calorie deficit. Yeah. Every 3 days, then rest. 3 days rest. Let's go.